In previous video, we have already discussed about routing. So today we are going to understand what is child routing. So if you do not have any doubt in routing, then it will too easy for you to understand the child routing. So I am going to my VS Code and I will open my application, and to implement that one, I will create one more component. And I have already created my component having name button that contains this file button component, CSS button component, HTML button component, spec.ts and .ts. So now what I have to do, first of all, I am going to show you the execution of routing that has been done yesterday. So I will open my new terminal. So I will run this application, so I will use a command ng search. Okay, so wait for a while. Yes, generating browser application bundles. And so I got this URL, so I have to copy this one and I will paste this in my Chrome browser. So I will go to my Chrome. I will paste here. So it was my previous concept that was routing. You can see I have already discussed in my previous lecture. Okay, so now today what we are going to do, uh, actually in routing what we was doing, I was switching from home to component, then my uh, respective output means respective content was changing. See here, I'm going from home, so I am getting this content. Right now I am switching from here means home to above. So I am getting this output. I am switching to contact and I am getting this content. So it was the concept of routing. Means I was switching from this to this to this without loading of the faces. Okay. So what is the concept of child routing? So in child routing, I am getting this content. Okay. And this is inside the home component, right? So what I have to do in child routing, when I will get this content, I will click on this button and I will redirect to another component. Means I will use the concept of children. Means home to click here. It was the previous concept that is routing. But when I will click on this button, got I will get comp content of another component. So it will clear with the implementation part. Okay. So I have already created a button component. Okay. So right now what I have to do, I will go to button.component.html file and I will get any code from Bootstrap official website. So I will search here Bootstrap 5, Bootstrap 5 um, is finding spinner. So we can see border spinner, border color spinner. So I'm going to copy this one, okay, and I will paste in my button.component.html, okay, okay. So right now, what I have to do, I will give the paths for this content. Actually, what I'm going to do, see, when I will click on this button, I will get the output for the button.component.html. Means on the screen, I will get spinners, these spinners. See, I will get these spinners. Okay, so let's see how we can implement this one. So I have pasted my code in button.component.html, and to perform the child routing, so I will go to my app routing.module.ts to give the path to children. So what I will do, see, uh, I have already written this thing, path from component. So today what I will do, again I will use one more thing. I will write path, and paथ के अंदर क्या लिखना है, path के अंदर हमें लिखना है button, means I am giving the path for the children, okay. Button, and component name is button component, okay. Component name is button component, and path for that is this one, okay. So now I have to implement this thing, means I have to give this path, okay. So here I will give this path. I will come to my home.component.html file. I have already created a bootstrap button. So what I will do, I will use a router link, and I will provide the path for the children. So I will write home, okay, see home, and button. Hmm, home button. Yeah. So I will go to my code. I'm not getting anything right now. I'm doing any mistake, maybe. Hmm. Now I will go to my form.component.html. So I will give the path here. Okay, button. See the output. Home, about us, contact us. Home. Now I will. So this is the concept of routing. Home. I am switching from here to here. Okay, but now I will click on this button, and I will get the output for the child component. Okay, see this portion is in the child routing. I hope that you understand what we are trying to do. Okay. So again I am repeating that I am switching from home to about. This thing is representing the router. But inside the home I have a content, and I am clicking on that content, and I am redirecting to my child component. See, I have this URL right now. Okay. In this, what I will write here, like button. So I will get spinners. See, I'm getting spinners. So, okay, so this URL is representing the routing, but when I will click on this, my URL will change. Means I will going from home to button. So that's it for today's class.